Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And we got this super rare Volt Tackle Pikachu summon gear. Yay! Just day, not really day 2, but day 3, guys. And let's just stop this, get our batch 2 gift. Whatever that is. Hey, what happened? We got Welcome Ore, Body Slam Gear, Munchlax. Tomorrow we get a nice, or later we get a nice super rare Snorlax summon gear. Can't wait, guys. So we got this Body Slam Munchlax gear, 30,000 coins. And let's just refine some other ore. Let's try this out right now. Summon gears, newest Full Tackle gear, start that, and upgrade. Pretty strong, if I'm not mistaken. 1070 for level 2 is pretty strong, guys. What is the added benefit? Stops the opponent's actions for a certain period of time. Good flinching. So let's probably try it out on a favorite Pokemon that's pretty strong. Switch and try it out. What the? Come on. Okay, guys, gonna try it out right now. Let's try it out on 2 stages. This is a Jink Shore. Currently still weak, it's fine. 1, 2, 3. I think you need only 5 to charge this up. Yes, you only need 5, guys. Let's try it out. Whoa, it's one straight line. Whoa, I like it. I like it. It's like Aquajet. Meaning I can be far from the opponent. That is cool. Guys, you can get Aquajet now if you spend 7,000. You can get Aquajet level 3 if you spend 7,000 diamonds. That is crazy amount. But partly people spend that much, and maybe I will too. I mean, it's one of the best summon gears, and you don't need to charge it up at all. Let's try it out once again. One more time, guys. My internet not cooperating exactly. Hey, hurry up. Internet not cooperating. What the heck is wrong with you? What the heck is wrong? Let's just... I want Score Bunny. Give me Score Bunny. There you go. Try that again. Here we go. Daily stages. I don't have everyone yet. Whoa. Nice. Nice. Look, guys. So nice. Oh, wow. Does this work even like this? Ha! Doesn't work. That is so cool. And with that, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.